The ADHD brain is wired for adventure, excitement, intensity, imagination, and creativity. But it's not wired for routine, mundane, repetitive tasks, sitting still, doing the same thing for long periods of time. But a lot of times in life, we have to do those things. So one of the great powerful antidotes that I have seen to that situation is that we have to take care to build excitement, adventure, and intensity into every day of our lives. Go snowboarding, go skiing, take an adventure bike ride, get out and do some intense physical activity, go to paintball, do airsoft, plan a trip, go on a trip, drive somewhere that you've never been before. Add excitement to your life. Find a way to add adventure. When you do those things, it helps your brain work better, and it is the ultimate antidote for boredom. Do it!